Okay, mate, let's look at waves here. I'm still holding waves. Um, so a lot of these coins, what has happened in the 1 hour time frame, a lot of these coins have broke back up. Kind of, if I just draw that there, I didn't draw it very well, but a lot of them have consolidated. You get a fake down, push back up, and then you get that move up into around this area. That's a decent move, right? If you're buying on a little bit of a dip there, there's a potential of 20% upwards, and maybe more if it goes well, as long as the market holds up. So getting some slight bearish action at this point in time, getting some pullback, which is fairly normal. I kind of expected that as soon as I woke up this morning and seen this. I was like, oh well, it's not going to keep pushing on from here very very easily. I was tempted to sell in here and just take my profits and rebuy on a little bit of a dip, and I didn't do that just yet. Still quite tempted, but I'm because my entry is fairly good. Let's have a look here. So my entry is down here. I don't know exactly where at this point in time. Somewhere I just remember down there as we got this failed move back up. I got back in somewhere here, maybe a bit lower than that. I don't know. Um, but what I'm trying to say is I don't think that we're going to dip right back down there yet. I am more thinking if we do, well, that is what it is. But I'm more thinking we come down into these red 200s somewhere down here. Look to buy that for that next leg higher. So I'll set an alarm here right now. Actually, I'm gonna look to add to my position down in and around this area and delete all that. If we get that dip down there, yeah, I will probably add to my position.